Our farm's taking a major hit. I have trees down everywhere. We had about 40 trees down in the roadway we had to clear out. I might be able to drive down there today and show you we cleared out. During the middle of the snowstorm, we were clearing out trees. Well, the day after the snowstorm, when it was still snowing, we were clearing out trees. And let me tell you, mine's a small amount compared to what happened in the road. As you can see over here in the chicken coop, I've got a leaner, I've got a bender. I gotta figure out how to take that bent one out and that leaner, because I don't know if it's gonna kick back up or not. I've got trees down everywhere. I mean, this place looks like a war zone. And that's one of the reasons why we wanted the dozer out here so bad and the excavators to get rid of this, because I knew eventually we would get a storm that would rave havoc. I mean, I can't even let my chickens out. I gotta get out there and cut all the branches and the trees away because of the. This is pretty much a nightmare right now, a real nightmare. I mean, I got trees down everywhere. I didn't even want to come out today. I was just disgusted. I was like, you know, I knew eventually this would happen if I didn't take care of it. I've got a tree back there that me and Amy called our bonsai tree, and that's gone now. I got to cut it down. It's history. Our cedar tree and by our that's gone too. That snapped in half. I'll take you guys around and show you, but this whole place is just a complete war zone. So let's go take a look at everything. That's the war zone. That's right inside my coop. You see that one bend over? That's the one I'm worried about. I had just finished up the outhouse, and I got two trees over there looking like they're gonna lean towards it. I got this one tree that came down right in the middle of the two, right there. And you can see how it pulled up. All this was from the weight of the snow. I mean, I got a tree right over there that snapped off the top when this thing came down. I mean, all this stuff was gonna get taken out anyways, but not like this. Wasn't my idea. You see, I got those. Those are bad trees. Those are ones I'm gonna have to deal with. The dead one, which is right here, it's still standing. All that snow and everything, and all these other ones take a hit, but that one's still standing. I got snow dropping everywhere, guys, so I'm kind of just keeping an eye out. I have a lot of chainsaw work to do. Oh, this is not how I envisioned my day to go on this. Oh, and then we've got an ice storm coming tomorrow night. So what do? You know, I gotta worry about the pump house being taken out with that right there. I ain't in the best of moods right now out here. I mean, you can see everything's just falling off of the trees. But I gotta get my chicken coop opened up, so I'm gonna work on that one first. Oh, I'm thinking that one's wedged in there enough. I could probably cut that one off and just leave it like it is, or try to pull it out so nothing falls. I mean, I got so much stuff to do on the homestead today. Pump house is doing fine though. I have no problems with that. Just that tree right there. See where that little bow is right there? That's what I'm worried about. And I'm worried about the tree kicking back up when I cut the bottom off of it. So I'm just gonna have to take little bits off of it. This tree I'm really meticulous about the way I'm gonna do it. I don't know. I'm glad that we cut all the trees away from the house except for the big oak, but she's strong. Just everything. This makes you think, you know. But you know, I kind of knew this was going to happen if we didn't get that dozer out here in time, and we didn't get it out here in time, and now look. but we're gonna find out. I'm hoping that it doesn't kick back up. I'm thinking if I cut it on an angle, the first angle, if it does start to kick up, I can kind of just jump away from it. Alright guys, well as you can see, I got it down, thank God. Let me tell you something. I am definitely not no chainsaw guy, and I definitely don't like doing this. You see all the snow's falling off all the trees. So I'm gonna have to do some reworking of the trees in here and get some stuff done, cleaned up, because I'm not liking the way it is right now. Well, I'll keep you guys going on the video. You guys get to see me cut up some more trees. I'm gonna do this one over here. All right guys, I'm gonna do my best I can to hold this thing, but this place is a mess. You see there's trees still coming down. Yeah, it's not looking too good.